Hey, how about Greasy Grove?
Can we do something different?
Pleasant.
Game. Just I don't like jumping in the same spot like game after game after game.
Going to the left side, broken house, first one in.
I'll go left side with you.
Red marker's where I'm going. The first house there on the left, the broken one with the tree through it.
I don't know, that's the back corner then.
We might have folks with us, we might not.
If I fuck the jump up, I'll end up going 3-story.
Yeah, I think I'm doing okay on the
Knocked out by a fall. Someone fucking fell and died.
Yeah, probably jumped on tilt, didn't jump down. Fucked up.
Land on the edge of a roof and like fucking jump off of it by accident.
Guys coming with us.
I'd imagine. Get into this rooftop.
Alright.
Yes, give me all those burst arrows.
One guy in soccer field is running towards 3-story.
Where you
I
guys
got
to?
one knocked. I got one knocked.
I'm at the house I said I was gonna get.
I got someone above me. I got someone above me. There's a fellow above me, folks.
Okay. 3 revolvers in this house.
I guess I need a bit of. I need to be able to hear this motherfucker. He's above me somewhere. Don't know
House
where.
near my house?
There's another team
Yeah.
over by me. I'm dead as fuck. Yeah.
Shit.
Those guys in the soccer field. Kyle, I'm coming up to your house right now.
I'm coming to you guys too right now.
I'm on the roof. Whoa! Fuck, the roof's broke out.
Alright, this guy's in this house
There's
that
a
I'm
mini
at.
up here. Matt, mini.
There's guys in this roof.
I got grenades, Austin. If you want to like knock a hole in the roof, I'll throw grenades in through it all. Just back up.
Oh god!
Get out of there, get out of there.
I can't!
One on the staircase.
Got him.
I need the slurp. Let's hear it. And any other healing that's around. And fuck.
I got a
shotgun.
med, I got a med, I got a med.
I got some bandos, and I put a slurp on, so I'll be okay.
Okay.
I need shotgun ammo. I have 3 bullets.
I have no
I
light
just
ammo.
knocked someone with a trap in that house behind us.
Here, Matt, there's 5.
Okay, the house back, Kyle, the one I jumped in, there's people, because the guy just got knocked by a trap.
Hey.
Oh, he died. No, I finally eliminated somebody. I've knocked 2 people with that trap so far. It's a real thing.
We got guys to the soccer field?
Yeah, we got people in this
One,
house
one,
back
one.
here that I set a trap
Anybody
in.
got any light ammo?
Here, 48.
Who's shooting?
I am. I see him in soccer field. Where were they?
Right here.
Right there.
I had a guy on me. Fuck, I'm going down. Fuck, this guy's real low.
Got him.
One more behind him. One more behind him. 2 more coming to your right, Austin.
Fuck's sakes. There's too many of them.
Got him.
Got him. Nice job. bud.
Nice.
Fucking burst rifle, dude.
It's great, man.
Yeah, I rocked that first guy with the burst rifle. 3 in the head, but
can't
there was
do
2 of
that.
them.
Don't do that.
Anyone got healing? Those guys probably
I
got
got
some on them.
I got 1 med, so.
Cool. I got 3 bandages actually.
I got bandages and slurps.
I'll take slurp, and I'll take 1 slurp at the very least. I only have 3 bandages, so I can take more bandages if you got them.
Alright.
I'll see what those guys had on them though.
You don't need
I
3,
will
man.
be your hero, baby.
Yeah, 3 bandages will do it, won't it?
Yeah, 3 bandages.
Uh,
After
okay.
revive.
I got some small shields over here
There you go.
Thank you.
and bandages. I'm good.
Oh, it's going to scoop up all my loot, I see.
Dude, there's nothing here. Literally,
Hold on
nothing
to
here.
this thing.
Can I have a slurp?
Yeah.
Any small shields?
No, I got 12 bullets left, by the way.
Yeah, I have 22.
AI rounds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, come here.
Oh, fuck.
Where'd you go?
I need ammo too, bud.
Yeah. Drop. Split this between the two of you. That leaves me with 49, so.
I have 49 as well.
44. 56. Okay. Oh, sorry, guys.
Shotgun rounds, I have 10.
I have 9.
Finish looting. I don't know if this back brick house was hit. Was it?
I
I hit that one.
You hit that one?
I don't have any rockets. Whoa, don't reload this gun! You son of a bitch. I don't have any rockets. I have a grenade launcher with 3.
I had nothing.
2.
I'll come get them.
Oh, Chris is gonna serenade us with his guitar playing.
Fuck, my gun. I just reloaded a gun that I didn't want to reload. Fuck, I just wasted all my ammo. I was trying to switch to it to drop it for bandages and reload it, so I have 30 AR rounds now. Fuck me twice.
Yeah, that's the best I've ever done with a burst rifle. I usually just absolute dog shit with it.
Dropping this fucking burst rifle for a pistol.
I need a fucking tack shotty right now.
All I got is a green tack. Wanna go to Loot Lake or soccer field?
I don't know. Undecided at the moment.
So you say you got rockets?
I got 2, yeah.
And I has that.
In a second, yeah.
Chris, is that actually you playing, or are you just listening to something?
I think it's just listening to something. Carl, there's a green burst up here if you want it.
I have a green burst.
Oh, cool, so do I.
Alright, so this place looks pretty gutted. Where are we gonna go?
There's the drum, so never mind.
So we can go to loot, or we can go up.
Down into soccer, I think would be good.
Alright.
We could run it to Snobby if you wanted to. Savages, but soccer's a good spot to
Yeah,
go.
yeah, let's do that.
I have 80 rounds now for AR. 15 shotgun.
I'm back to 121.
It was the power of the beer, Eddie. It wasn't me.
It was a liquor.
Let the liquor do the shooting.
Yeah. The liquor knows the way.
Golly.
Fuck, that's an SMG. I thought it was a shotgun. Did you go in the gas station, Kyle?
Nope.
The door was open. The ammo crate wasn't opened. The door was open inside soccer.
And
Soccer field's closing up for the zone.
I'm gonna take off and head to bed there. And no, I was
Alright, man.
listening to music.
Alright,
so
buddy.
good, dude.
There's this.
See what kind of shit we can get into at soccer field. Austin, where the fuck are you gone?
Poolside.
Good enough. Grandma's house was hit. They left soccer.
Or they left tilted.
Soccer's hit. Grandma's house was hit from. They're in Grandma's house right now. 2 of them.
Okay. Alright, I'm in the middle of the game here.
I seen a black and white astronaut at Grandma's house. They ran past it towards Tilted.
There's
There-
2 of
I
them.
see 2
Yeah,
of them.
there's 2 of them.
They're gone. They're gone into Tilted.
2 black astronauts.
Okay. Well, how do you want to approach this? Want to go into Tilted after, or want to go into Shifty?
Let's just tail them, see what happens.
Sure. They're just pushing into Tilted.
Austin, you looting?
There was AR ammo on the grab.
I see him right now. No, I don't. I see dead people. I see
Alright,
rock
Bruce
faggot.
Willis.
Oh, damn.
Where's Bruce Willis? Where is he?
It was a fire hydrant, not a person. I was incorrect.
Oh, you took that. Alright, I'm gonna pack up a little bit here. Let's wait for Austin. He should be here in a second.
Coming over the hill now, boys. I'm behind you.
Yo.
There's lots of corpses in this place. Holy
Yeah.
shit balls.
Maybe some stuff.
Definitely some
That's
stuff.
not the right spot.
Stuff and things. Ready to go into this bitch?
Careful for traps, boys.
Yeah. Another blue tack over here, Kyle.
I just found one. I need shotgun ammo.
I have 14 bullets.
Yeah,
Same.
10. Oh shit. Where do these guys go?
In and around tilted. Someone's hitting shit. Is that you guys?
Yeah, that's me.
No.
Okay.
I hit. Yeah. I was right next to you, so that's what you would have heard. Matt, I think they're in this brick building next to me.
In front of you?
Yep.
Yeah, I see
Yep.
building. They're between them. They're on the roof right now. One is a sniper. Want to build up to him?
No, I see. There's one right here in front of me. Watch out. He's just on the roof. Building up.
Yeah,
Fuck.
Shit.
The white astronaut. He doesn't know I'm here. I'm literally chasing a white astronaut. Now he knows we're here.
Yeah. I need help. I'm missing all my shots. Thank you.
So I got 2 here. Fuck, the third one's gonna finish me. Fuck, the third one got me. I'm getting somewhere to hide so he can't come get me.
Okay.
One's dead, one's knocked, and that third guy's there. He's trying to pick his teammate up, I'm sure. He's up top. Can you come over here and get me? Or
Go in there,
keep
Austin.
off me?
I'm healing. I got 7 health.
Okay. I gotta break through this fucking wall.
They're coming too. They're above, knocking shit down. They're here somewhere, boys. Can't see them at the moment. They're got here. I'm right here. They're gone down. Any shields or anything?
I got bandos. That's it.
I got bandos too. Good enough. Nice, thank you. I don't know. That guy got picked
Fuck,
up for sure.
Yeah, I missed every one of those shots, man.
There's a staircase blocking him, so the guy turned around. I shot him right in the face. I was like, "Oh, hi."
Good.
It's me. There's more down bottom, and there's definitely one picked up by now.
I'm gonna need that. I'm gonna need that actually. Why did I go down? Okay.
Probably had some cool loot on him though.
I'm on the roof.
I see him. Well, I see someone. 210 in a building. No, I don't think it's the same guys. Seen a no suit. 210. You guys building structures around here?
Yeah, up on top of the.
210. There's a dark brick and a light brick building. There's a guy
Yeah.
in that.
Okay.
These other 2 guys pieced it though. I think.
They're still below us somewhere.
I need rockets. Do you guys have them? I know Austin
I
had
got
2.
2.
I had 8.
Okay, I'm trying to get up to you guys. We're just outside the zone. I'm not gonna floor down. I don't know if you guys are above me or not. Sorry.
I'm thinking about. Okay, I got guys building over there. We're fucked.
We're good. We're good. We're good. I need some rockets.
I have no. Dude, we got no ammo, no healing.
Here, man.
Yeah.
I have 241 AR rounds. Who
Okay.
needs some?
I got 38,
I have 90.
Jesus. Okay. Rockets
Shit.
there.
I can't get up there, bud.
and I need shotgun. In which I have
Shotgun.
7.
Here. There's a few.
Guys,
Good.
I'm stuck because of all these fucking staircases.
Figure it out.
I'm trying.
Here's 80, Kyle.
Thank you.
And Matt, did you say you need AR as well?
I have 90.
Okay, well.
Shots
Oh,
coming in
shit.
less. Not sure where
Where's
that came
from? It sounded
We're also not in the
southeast.
zone.
Yeah. Alright, getting down out of here.
Yeah.
Thank you for the rockets. Very much appreciated. Not
That
sure
was
where those shots came
northeast.
from.
That was northeast.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, big structure built up on top of that building. That's probably where it's coming from.
Mm-hmm.
There's a few structures. I see them northeast right now. There's a wooden structure due northeast. I missed. Got a hit on one with a blue hunting rifle. They're both shooting at me. They're shooting semi-auto snipers. They only see me, so get ready. If you're gonna hit your shot, make sure you're gonna hit it. They're shooting at me heavy. The minigun at me.
Not the guy minigunning you.
Nice. There's one left. Come over the top. That's the two guys. That's the guys.
There it
Got
goes.
him.
Nice.
Good
That was the
job.
guys from that building.
Yeah.
Get quick scoped.
I need guns and stuff, guys.
I need to start streaming so that you can clip my shit.
That was a good job.
And I hit one of them. I swore it was a headshot with a blue hunting rifle, but it didn't kill him. So.
All right, guys, we got more. We got some
Okay.
other
Anyone
people
have
around.
anything better than a gray AR kicking around here?
I just dropped a green burst.
Purple tack. I don't want to burst. Unfortunately.
Blue AR down there.
Okay, beautiful. You grab that.
Uh,
And remember that I just gave you that blue AR.
here, boys. Split this shit up.
I got 380 on me right now.
All
I
right.
need long range rounds. Heavy ammo. Heavy ammo.
Heavy
What the fuck
ammo?
it's called.
Awesome. What
I
do
have
you
9
have?
bullets.
I got here. I got some.
How much?
And
you
I have. And if you have rockets, let me know.
Here's 4.
Rockets?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, fuck, I
Killer.
gotta build something right now.
Call it. I don't have any materials. Anyone have like a max material that can give me some?
Here.
Thank you. Shots coming in from
Whoa.
southeast.
Yeah.
We're due southeast. Oh, that big metal structure. Okay.
Oh, dude.
What? I put a wall up in front of you?
Yeah. Someone's here on us.
Yep. Shit.
Got another one
Someone's
coming.
on the ground. I can't.
Got another one.
RPG's coming up from where?
Got him.
I couldn't see him.
All right.
I can't pull the wall here off. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm trying to heal Austin.
Okay, I need shields if there's any around.
Yeah, I need
Same.
I need a prayer. I need a slurp. Any of these things would be great. There's one team left, guys.
I got a campfire.
Oh,
So
shit.
if we can, I can put that on.
I'm trying to get this guy's loot. One of these guys' loots.
There's some scars around, baby. And a bunch of ammo.
Okay, where's the scars at?
One down
Yeah,
there.
straight up.
There's mad bullets coming in at us. You
more
shooting
scars around?
RPGs?
Yeah, yeah.
Zone.
No.
Zone.
Okay, moving in back down into tilted.
In the tilted? Fuck. I went down the other way. I went down the hill in
Well, I
front
went the
of me.
other way too. It's fine. They're shooting at me. Are they all? Oh, there's 2 structures of people.
Yeah.
One high and a little house-looking one. 2 guys lower here. One of my grenades are gonna get there. Not quite. Fuck. I'm gonna snipe the guy that's high on us. There's 2 high, 2 down low. 2 up in that house, guys. I'm sniping the guys up high. I don't know
Those
how
ones
much.
down low.
One guy just fell. He's not dead though. There's guys in that wooden structure to the left, as far as I know, that I was shooting RPGs at.
Yeah. I'm
That's
shooting.
Kyle.
Whatever. There's guys in that structure, I think. Yeah. Oh fuck! My house just got blown up. There's definitely someone in there, Kyle. Got big hits on him with the scar. Whoa, I got sniped. I don't know how he fucking hit me because I was behind the wall. They got the zone too, boys. 4 seconds till it moves. We gotta go right into him.
I hit somebody there.
I'm bandaging. Zone's moving. We gotta go. I'm dead.
Yeah, and they're launching nades at me now.
Yeah.
Sit down. I'm
Oh,
dead.
so you got 1 health. Make it in front of you.
I'm knocked. Fuck.
Kyle, you knock one, Austin knock one, so there's what, 2 up?
There might
One
be
up.
2.
There's only 1 up, Austin.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.
They're gonna be picking his team up.
Yeah. You can get up to me. That'll be cool.
Oh, he died.
He died yet. I don't have any healing though. That's the only thing.
Greasy. So there's 2 and 2, boys. Austin, did you pick that med kit up that was down there?
No. I just quick scoped another guy.
Boys, you got this. You got this. I think they still have the fucking zone though. Can you knock the bottom of that structure out? Is that possible?
Nah, it's too built. It's too built.
30 seconds, boys.
I can't, but this can.
They're up there somewhere. Got rockets and grenades and shit, boys? They're behind you.
One is. One more.
Finish them off. Just get rid of them.
Yeah. There's one more up in the
I got him,
tower.
I got him.
Get up there, motherfucker. Don't worry about it.
Kyle got this.
Zone's coming, boys. Austin, you're out in it. You're both out in it.
There we go.
Nice. Good job, boys.
Ooh. Oh. Yes.
Good job.
I just beat
That
my
was my
record. I've never gotten more than 8 kills in a game. I've gotten 8 so many times. Finally got more
I
than
had
that.
4.
Had 11.
Nice.